I will explain how to create your own Flash USDT TRC20 using ChatGPT to generate the code. I asked ChatGPT for a smart contract that would allow me to craft Flash USDT. And eventually, it provided me with the code. Initially, the response didn't work as expected, and I faced some issues. But in the end, I got the code, which I have linked in the description. Flash USDT will be available in your wallet for 3 months. Now let's go over the crafting process. First, you need to install the MetaMask extension in your browser to add liquidity to our tokens. We must deposit with a minimum of 0.05 ETH required to create 50,000 Flash USDT. If you want to generate more tokens with better liquidity, you should deposit more. For example, with a deposit of 0.12 ETH, you can create 150,000 Flash USDT. That is the amount of USDT we will be crafting. You can use these tokens on various exchanges and platforms. You can also trade them on Binance. Although I don't personally use Binance, let's get started. Open Remix and create a new file named usdt.sol. Then paste the code into it, which you can find in the video description. Next, select version 0.6.6 plus. Click Compile. Once compiled successfully, a green tick will appear. Navigate to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab, and in the Environment section select Connect Wallet. Immediately, you should see your wallet balance confirming. Everything is set up correctly. Expand this section and enter token name as Tether and token symbol as USDT. Then click Transact. In the max fee field, round the number up to the nearest integer. The first transaction expensive costing between 3 to 4 depending on current network load, which you can check on Etherscan. Now that our smart contract has been created, copy it and head over to Etherscan to verify its existence, ensuring it is legitimate once confirmed. We need to fund it, so go to your wallet and send E to your smart contract address. Remembering that the minimum top-up amount is 0.05 ETH, the fees for this and subsequent transactions will be minimal. After funding, return to Remix, and once your balance appears, click Start. Don't forget to specify max fee and confirm the transaction. This action initiates the crafting of your tokens. After confirming the transaction, click Withdraw to transfer the tokens to your wallet. Repeat all previous steps specifying max fee again and confirming the transaction. Now we wait a few minutes. Once the withdrawal is successful, you will see 50,000 Flash USDT in your wallet.